Hello and welcome back. In the last few videos, we created a parrot that flies up, a pipe sprite, and a scrolling background. Today we put it all together to complete our Flappy Bird game. We need to introduce a new concept. We need to talk about variables. Think of a variable as a box that holds data. This information can be a number. It can be a string of words, a character, it can even be a true or false value, or even an object. The information inside of the variable can change. We want to be able to show the player's score on the screen once the bird has passed a pipe opening. With the pipe sprite selected, click on the Variables tab and click on the Make a Variable button. Name the variable score and click OK when done. When the game starts, we want to set the score to 0. While the pipes are moving across the screen from right to left, we want to check if the bird has passed through the opening. If a pipe set has an X position of -80, this means that the bird has cleared the opening. Once the bird has cleared the opening, we can increase the score by 1. We need to do the same for the clone. This can be easily done by making a duplicate of the code blocks. When we run the game, the score gets updated once the bird passes through the opening. This brings us to the end of this series. Feel free to expand on this project. If you enjoyed it, you can drop me a comment or like. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.